My dad did very, very serious death penalty cases. That was kind of his specialty growing up. And so I had been going into courtrooms since I was a little kid. I thought it was like the coolest thing ever. I just was drawn to it. Me and my best friend Josh decided that we wanted to start our own firm together. We'd been talking about starting our own firm since like literally we were little kids. Josh had been diagnosed with bipolar disorder, which is a severe mental illness, and he had struggled with that growing up. And so when we became lawyers and started our own firm, he immediately decided that one of the things we were going to focus on was advocating for people with mental health issues. Josh got on the board of directors of some organizations, some nonprofits, and we really fiercely advocated for mental health from the very, very beginning. The firm also does a lot of civil rights cases and personal injury, but when Josh passed away because of his mental health issues, I never remember even like doubting that I would carry that on and even make it more a focus. I'm sure it would make him proud what this firm has become and how much of an impact we've had in the mental health field. It is absolutely the most fulfilling part of my job.
I would describe this firm as aggressive, resilient, and relentless. And I think what makes this firm unique is that everybody helps. No case is too small, no case is too big. Whether we're helping someone in Los Angeles, Ventura, or Santa Barbara, when you hire Lessem, Newstat, and Tooson, you're getting the partners actually working on your case. What we pride ourselves on is every case we do handle, getting the best possible result.
I'm the father of a son with a mental health condition. He was in trouble with the law several times. I knew about what the firm did, and I figured this was the right place to be. I think what stands out is their compassion and the willingness to understand what the situation was, what mental health condition may have caused it, and they keep up with the current laws and so on. One example is mental health diversion is only a couple of years old, and they did manage to get my son on mental health diversion, so he didn't have to face any jail time, and he was diverted into treatment instead. Those are the sorts of things that they fight for and they achieve. I would 100% absolutely recommend it without hesitation.
As a lawyer, you only can be as effective as your reputation is in the courtroom. And if people don't think that you have integrity or that you're a person of your word, then you don't get the results for your client. Like when I tell the other side that they're either going to make a fair offer or we're prepared to take the case to trial, over the course of my career, I built up the kind of trust where they believe that that's true. And when they know that you're willing to go to trial, that you're skilled in trial, and that you've done it more times than them, their perspective is different. And I feel that we get results without going to trial because of the fact that the other side knows that we will go to trial if we have to, and that we will be very difficult to beat in court.
Oftentimes, when people are down on their luck, they need somebody who's familiar with the law, who's not going to be bullied, who's going to push back. And I find myself taking on huge corporations, taking on counties, taking on states. It's the David versus Goliath. And I take pride in standing up for their rights. So if you want somebody who can put you at ease and you can sleep at night knowing you have the best possible representation who truly cares for you, please give us a call.